Namaskar, I'm Apurva, and today, in History and Forgotten Legends, we step into the world of a man who healed bodies, inspired movements, and strengthened the soul of a nation. A man who was not just a physician, but a national leader, a founder, a reformer, and one of India's most graceful freedom fighters. Today, we remember Hakim Ajmal Khan, lovingly known as Masihul Mulk, the healer of the nation. The healer WHO became a legend born in 1868 in the iconic Sharif Manzil of Delhi. Ajmal Khan came from a long lineage of Unani healers. But he didn't just carry forward a tradition, he transformed it. He became the greatest Unani physician of his era, treating everyone, from the poorest laborer to the Viceroy of India, with the same compassion. So extraordinary were his diagnoses that people said, Hakim Sahab didn't treat the body, he understood the person. The architect of modern Unani medicine. Hakim Ajmal Khan wasn't satisfied with just practice. He dreamt bigger, of an India where ancient knowledge meets modern science. And that dream took shape in the form of institutions we still rely on today. Small Blue Diamond Tibia College, later Hamdard, India's first center to modernize Unani medicine. Small Blue Diamond AIMC, All India Medical Conference. Small Blue Diamond, the Hindustani Davakhana, for indigenous pharmaceutical development. For millions, he became the bridge between tradition and innovation, between healing and hope. The freedom fighter we don't read about, but what many don't know is that Hakim Ajmal Khan was also a giant of India's freedom movement. He was a close ally of Mahatma Gandhi, a founding member of Jamia Millia Islamia, and one of the few leaders trusted by both Hindus and Muslims in an era of deep political turmoil. His voice carried the weight of unity. His presence brought calm. And his influence was so deep that Gandhi called him one of the pillars of the national movement. A legacy that still breathes. Hakim Ajmal Khan passed away in 1927, but his legacy breathes through every clinic, every student, and every healing tradition that still stands strong in modern India. He leaves behind a message: medicine is not just science, it is responsibility. And perhaps that is why he's not just a healer of his time, but a legend for all time. This was today's chapter in History and Forgotten Legends, a tribute to a man who healed a nation in more ways than one. I am Apurva, and I'll see you soon with another forgotten name, another powerful story, another reminder of our rich, layered past. Until then, stay curious, stay proud, and keep discovering India's hidden heroes.